Hello guys, this is David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick review on Originality AI. So Originality AI is an AI detector and plagiarism checker that helps you detect content that are written by AI, then also help you check if a content is actually plagiarized. So since the launch of ChatGPT, we all know that there's been a massive rise on AI generated content, and there's been a lot of controversy whether Google is going to smile on AI generated content or they're actually going to penalize websites that focus more on AI generated content. So if you just go over to the Google search engine and search for can Google detect AI generated content, you're going to see that there are a lot of different answers on this. So this one here says Google says AI generated content is against Google guidelines, and if you scroll down again, you're going to see that this one says Google is not against AI generated content and text any longer. So there's a lot of controversy on whether Google loves AI generated content or not. But for you to be on the safer side, if you want to keep publishing unique and human generated content, what you want to use to verify if these contents are actually 100% unique is software like Originality. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through what you can actually expect from this software. So if this is something you would like to do, I want you to stick around and watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about the video, please drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Thanks for joining me once again, and right now I'm quickly going to log into my account and give you a complete walkthrough of what you can expect to see when you start using this software to detect AI generated content and plagiarized content. All right, so I've just logged into my account. Okay, so as you can see from the left hand side here, you're going to see content scan, you're going to see website scan, you're going to see team, you're going to see credit, you're going to see your account, and you can see API access and affiliate program here. All right, so for the content scan, so if you click on the content scan, this is where you can actually detect content that are AI generated and plagiarized content. So if you want to detect AI generated content, all you simply need to do is just come over to the right hand side here, then click on detect AI. And if you want to detect just plagiarism in the content, all you simply need to do is just click on plagiarism check. So for website scan here, what you can actually do with website scan is that you can do a complete scan on a whole website. So if you want to run a complete scan on a website to detect AI generated content on a website, so this is going to tell on your pricing. So depending on the total page and total words they have on the website, this is going to cost you a lot if there's a lot of pages and there are a lot of words in this website. So for the pricing, if we come back here, you're going to see that for the pricing they charge 0.01 per credit. So one credit is going to give you an opportunity to scan 100 words. So for every 100 words you scan with Originality AI software, is going to cost you $1. So this means if you are scanning 1000 words, the cost for 1000 words is going to be $10, and the cost for 2000 words is going to be $20. So if you want to scan a big website, so this means you're going to need to have a lot of credit in your account before you can successfully scan a big website. So for the team section here, so this means if you want to add a team to your account, so all you simply need to do, just come over here, then click on add member here. So add the member name, then add their email address. So depending on what you want to make them, if you want to make them content editor, you can easily do that here. If you want to make them website manager or admin, you can easily do that here. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on add, and they will be added they will be added as your team member here. So for the credit, so this is where you're going to see how much you are having and see how much you've used from the credit you purchased in your Originality AI account. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to walk you through how you can actually use this software to detect content that are written by AIs, then to also check for plagiarized content. So what we want to do now is let me go over to one of my AI software. So this is Closer Copy. So this is powered by GP3 AI. All right, so it also helps you generate content automatically with the help of AI. So I've logged in already. So these are some of the content I've been able to generate with this AI. So this is a benefit of skin exfoliation. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so let me expand more from this so we can have more content. So I'm going to click on expand so we can have more content from this. So I've just generated more content with this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy this, then come over to Originality AI, then come here, then click on paste. All right, so the total word I added is 185. So you can also see the total amount of word you pasted here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on scan now. So the AI detection score is 100% AI. So as you can see, and originality is 0. All right, so this is the one I used with closer copy to generate. So I have a website that is powered with AI generated content. So I'm just going to go over to the website. So let me quickly copy this content. So this content is generated by AI. So I'm going to copy this content again, then copy, then come back here, then paste it here so we can actually see again. So I'm going to paste this here also. So the total number of words is 148. So I'm going to come over here, then click on scan again. So as you can see, this one is 1% original, and this and the AI detection is 99% AI. So I'm going to go over to another website of mine. Okay, so this is my website. So this is my about us page. So this is obviously written by me. So I'm going to copy this my about us content here. So I'm going to copy some of this, then copy this, then come back to Originality AI, then paste it here. So I'm quickly going to paste it here, then run the scan again. All right, so I've just pasted this here. All right, so the total number of words is 162. So I'm going to click on scan again. So as you can see, so the originality score is 100% original and AI detection is 0% AI. So this is just to let you know that with the Originality AI software, you can actually detect AI written content and also detect content that are written by human being 100%. So the next thing we're going to check is the plagiarism check. So the first one we did is AI detection. Okay, so let me quickly click on plagiarism check. Okay, so I'm going to click on plagiarism check, then click on scan again to check if it's going to detect if this content is plagiarized. So if you remember, this content is already published on my website, so obviously it should be able to detect that this content is plagiarized because I published this content already on my website. So let's come back to AI, let's come back to Originality AI, then click on scan again. So as you can see, the plagiarism score is 38%, and if you scroll down, you're going to see the website from which the content is copied. All right, so this is the website where the content is copied, and this is 100% match. So if you want to view the content, all you simply need to just click on view, and it's going to redirect you to the actual website where the content is being copied. All right, so this is basically what you can expect if you want to use Originality AI to detect AI generated content and to detect plagiarized content. So if you don't have an account with Originality AI, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So if you don't have an account with them and you like to create an account with Originality AI, just go to the description of the video, click the link there, set up an account for yourself, and start using the software to detect AI generated content and to check for plagiarized content if you are into the business of content creation. All right, so this is basically what to expect with the Originality AI software. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.